Hello everyone, this is Yashi Srivastava, a second year MBBS student in a government medical college. This video is especially for the aspirants who are going to attempt for NEET 2024 on May 5. I know there are very few days left for the exam, so you all might be feeling series of emotions, mixed emotions might be coming. किसी को बहुत अच्छा लग रहा होगा कि finally they'll be entering their favorite medical college, while some population, I think majority of the population might be very anxious, कि पता नहीं कैसा जाएगा, मैं सब कुछ भूल रही हूँ, मुझे कुछ भी याद नहीं है, what will I do if I don't crack the exam. See, the most important thing is stay motivated during the last days. That's very important. Trust your preparation, trust yourself that you can crack the exam, and you have done the hard work that was required throughout the process. You have done your part, and there's nothing that can stop you from getting a government medical seat. Last few days में it's very important to eat healthy and to take a proper amount of sleep, because अगर आप बॉडीली फिट रहेंगे एंड आपका माइंड प्रॉपरली वर्क कर रहा होगा बिकॉज आप सही अमाउंट की स्लीप ले रहे होंगे, सो इट विल बी अ लॉट ईजियर फॉर यू टू कंसंट्रेट इन एग्जाम एंड गिव योर 100% इन द एग्जाम. And if I have to talk particularly about the subjects, to start with biology, I must say कि there will be, I think maximum लोग पहले bio को start करते हैं. And anyways, if you don't start with bio, whatever subjects you start with, don't change it on the day of exams. I mean, you don't have to experiment anything new on the date of exam. It should be exactly the same way like you attempt papers in your mock test. आपको कुछ भी change करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. I am repeating, on the day of exam आपको कोई भी नया experiment करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. आप जैसे पेपर attempt करते आए हैं, आप वैसे ही पेपर attempt करिएगा. Okay, biology. Yes, it's everyone knows NCERT is the key to success for biology especially. All others also require NCERT. Like NCERT is very important for all three subjects, but for biology it's very important. So last minute tips for biology is keep on revising NCERT. Just go through the pages always, like set a timer for 1 hour. I'll be completing these 2 chapters, and just quickly just go through the pages, just see the highlighted points which you have marked during your preparation, and that's all. For chemistry, for inorganic chemistry, is the reactions that are given in the NCERT, and for organic as well. Sometimes they don't even change the examples as well. They will directly ask you the same questions. They will pick from the book and they will copy paste in the examination paper. So you have to know in organic chemistry, just go through the examples which are given, the named reactions, the products, how they are made, SN1, SN2, the carbocation mechanism, the carboanion mechanism, and how to acidic strength, basic strength. Those are very important. Just know how they are calculated, and go to the NCERT for that as well. For inorganic chemistry also, stick to the NCERT. Last minute revision tips, stick to the NCERT. Go to the previous year questions, solve them, keep on repeating those questions. Also keep on repeating those questions which which you commit mistakes in your mock test. For physics personally, just go through the formulas. The formulas are very important. Almost 20 to 25 questions will be directly from the formulas that you have to put. You have to just put the values in the formulas and you will be getting the answers. In physics, some solved examples are given between the books. Just go through them. The easy ones, not the very typical ones. They won't be asking that. They will be asking very easy ones which directly uses the formulas and gives you the answer. So just go with that. And previous year questions are very important. If you haven't done yet, I think last days are the time when you can just go through the questions, because they repeat a lot of questions from previous years. So it's very important to go through the questions. Okay, these are some subject wise tips. Now if I talk about like I'll be saying that this is the time when you have to make the stronger your strongest topics. Like strong को और strong करो, and अब जो चीज़ें आपने कभी नहीं पढ़ी हैं उसको मत छुओ, leave it. जो चीज़ें आपने पढ़ रखी हैं, आपको लगता है कि दैट इज़ योर स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट टॉपिक्स, उनको और स्ट्रॉन्ग करने की कोशिश करो और ज़्यादा रिविजन्स करो उनके. प्लस ऑल्सो दोज टॉपिक्स विच यू फील आर वीक, उसको थोड़ा ब्रशन अप करो, ताकि उससे अगर कोई क्वेश्चन आए तो ऐसा ना हो कि आप अटेम्प्ट ही ना कर पाओ या आप ट्राई ही ना कर पाओ. बट जो चीज़ें आपने कभी नहीं पढ़ी उसको आपको अब टाइम नहीं है. सो डोंट जस्ट गो फॉर दोज टॉपिक्स विच यू हैवंट टच्ड येट. लीव देम. Go for suppose 90 questions comes in bio, go for that 85 questions and don't go for that 5 questions. That 5 questions, will make you a topper maybe somewhere, but it will not be very helpful in securing a government medical seat. Go for that 85 questions, go for the majority of the paper. Okay. एंड ऑल्सो might be students who might be thinking कि अब मॉक टेस्ट देने का कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है, अब वैसे भी एग्जाम्स आ रहे हैं. I'll say don't skip any mock test. Give all the mock test. If you are enrolled in a coaching, there might be a test series going. Give all the mock test till last days, till 3 of May. Give mock test. Don't skip any of the mock test by your coachings or personally if you are preparing on your own. Try to solve as many papers as you can till the last of the day. Okay, because that will help you, that will increase your speed, increase your accuracy and everything. And when you at the day when you will go for giving NEET ना, ऐसा लगेगा आपको कि just एक simple mock test दे के आए हैं, it was nothing new. अगर आप continuously mock test देते जाएंगे ना, तो NEET का पेपर आपको लगेगा कि वो एक another mock test है, वो ऐसा कुछ NEET नहीं है. Okay, so I'll advise give test papers. आप उसी टाइम पे बैठिए जिस टाइम पे आपका नीट का पेपर होने वाला है, उस हिसाब से आपकी बॉडी क्लॉक सेट हो जाएगी, तो आपको एडजस्ट करने में प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. ओके, फॉर क्वेश्चंस आई वुड अगेन से कि रेशियो वाले जो क्वेश्चंस होते हैं इन फिजिक्स, बी वेरी केयरफुल इन दैट. जल्दी में यू डू 2:1 का 1:2 यू मार्क एंड कम, 2 2s are 6 you do. Avoid these mistakes. These are the silly mistakes which people do. So just be concentrated on those things and avoid those mistakes. Ratio questions, double check it for sure. Double check it कि आपने किस पावर में रेशियो निकाला है, कैसे निकाला है. आपने 2:1 की जगह 1:2 तो नहीं मार दिया है, 2 to the 4 की जगह 2 to the 6 तो नहीं कर दिया है. That is very important because that will easy questions these are. If you lose there, it's very difficult for you to gain marks. So easy questions you have to secure. You have to make 100% sure that you do easy questions nicely and you get 4 out of 4 from those easy questions. Last days are mostly for revision. So just revise to your formula sheets. Revise the questions which you did wrong in your mock papers. Revise the PYQs. Revise the NCERT. Don't start everything new. Just revise maximum topics you can before entering the exams. And be confident, be sure of your preparation, be confident of your preparation that you have done really well in your preparation and there's nothing that can stop you from cracking the exam. You owe a seat to yourself because you have done that much hard work. So trust your hard work, trust the process, and most importantly trust God, because whichever God you believe in, trust them. Because if you have worked well and if you have worked hard and you have done justice to your preparation, nothing can go wrong except your mindset. If you are not very strong in your mindset, if you're not very confident in your mindset, nothing can go wrong. For that day, I'll say that day is very important. That 3 hours are very important. That will decide your preparation. You have to work very smartly and very confidently in those 3 hours. That will decide that whether you are going to get a government seat or not. I'll tell you guys, confidence is very important. Confidence will, help you a lot during the exams. I'll personally share my story. For physics, there was very less time left for me and I completed physics in almost 45 minutes, okay? So I just quickly, went through the questions and I did not stop at any question. So I'll be, focusing. I'll be telling you that don't stop on any question. In first run, just go through every questions and don't stop. I'm repeating, don't stop at the questions because that will kill your time. And once you complete the paper, एक बार आपने पूरा पेपर कंप्लीट कर लिया, फिर आपके जो क्वेश्चंस बचे रह गए, आप फिर उन पे जाइए. आप जब कर रहे होते हैं क्वेश्चंस इन द फर्स्ट रन, डोंट स्टॉप बिकॉज दैट विल किल योर टाइम. जो आप क्वेश्चंस के बारे में श्योर हो, आप बस उनको अटेम्प्ट करिए इन द फर्स्ट रन. And later in the second or third round, you go on the questions which you did not attempt. In respect to it, I'll also share one point कि जब आप बायो या कोई क्वेश्चन थियरी वाला कर रहे होते हैं, तो the first instinct which comes to your mind, stick to that. बिकॉज इट्स ऑलमोस्ट 90% इट्स ट्रू. मतलब 90% चांस होंगे कि आपका फर्स्ट इंस्टिंक्ट में जो आपने आंसर सोचा हो वो सही हो. 10% चांस होगा कि आपने कुछ ब्लडर क्रिएट कर दिया हो तो वो आंसर्स गलत हो सकते हैं. बट अगर आप कुछ ऐसे पढ़ रहे हैं एंड वो इट स्ट्रक टू योर माइंड की स्ट्राइक टू योर माइंड की नहीं, इसका आंसर तो ये होगा, स्टिक विद दैट. एंड आई विल बी टेलिंग यू माई एक्सपीरियंस एंड आई ऑल्सो नो मेनी ऑफ यू वुड रिलेट कि आप जब OMR में आंसर भर रहे होते हैं एंड तब अगर आप उस मोमेंट में कोई आंसर को चेंज करते हैं, इट टर्न्स आउट टू बी रॉन्ग. आपका फर्स्ट इंस्टिंक्ट जो होता है ना, दैट इज आई थिंक 99% इट्स 95% इट्स करेक्ट. ओके, नॉट 99 but 95% it's correct. So while filling the answers, don't change your answers at the last moment because वहाँ पे गलत होने के चांसेस ज़्यादा है. आप जब अपना ज़्यादा दिमाग लगाने लगते हो बायो में स्पेशली कि नहीं इसका तो ये हो सकता है, शायद मैंने गलत सोच लिया होगा, नो. आप जब दिमाग ज़्यादा लगाने लगते हो आप वो आंसर गलत करके आते हो. फर्स्ट इंस्टिंक्ट इसलिए ज़्यादा क्लियर होती है बिकॉज आप इतने बार NCERT को पढ़े होते हैं ना कि जब आप क्वेश्चंस को रीड कर रहे होते हैं, यू नो द आंसर, इट जस्ट क्लिक्स, सो यू नो दैट, सो स्टिक विद दैट. डोंट चेंज योर आंसर while filling in the OMR sheet. Personally, I have experienced that and I know many friends also experienced of mine, so I'll tell you that don't change the answers. Depends a lot on the day of the exam. Like your preparation might be 100% or your preparation might be 70% also. वो कहते हैं ना कि कई बार टॉपर्स वुड नॉट क्रैक अ एग्जाम एंड समटाइम्स इवन एन एवरेज स्टूडेंट कैन परफॉर्म वेल एंड कैन सिक्योर अ गवर्नमेंट सीट. एंड इन नीट इट हैपन्स अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम, लाइक मैक्सिमम टाइम इट हैपन्स दैट वे कि कई बार टॉपर्स सिलेक्ट नहीं होते बट एक एवरेज स्टूडेंट जो कि बहुत हार्ड वर्किंग होता है, he or she gets selected and gets a government medical seat. So stay connected to your friends and families. Talk to them. Don't run away from them. You know, these are the times when we feel like no one understands us and what if we fail? What will our family think? What will our friends think? I'll tell you, the genuine friends will support you in every situations and they'll be the one who will be through thick and thin with you. And family, of course. Parents will never think bad of you. Even if you fail, you'll be their favorite kid in the house. They will never be any sort of discrimination towards you that if you fail in the exam they will not treat you well. They are your parents. Stay connected to them. If you have any problem, talk to them. And before the day of exams, take proper sleep. I'm again focusing on sleep and food because it's very important. You can't afford to, lose your health in the last days, because if you lose your health in the last days, you'll not be, able to perform nice in the exams. So focus on your health, please. I repeat, focus on your health. Also, at last I will say, even if you don't get a government seat, it's never the end. You can always start new. You can always do anything you want in life. It's never the end. I repeat, medical college, getting a seat in a medical college is not the end of the life, that even what if I don't get a seat? Okay, if you don't get a seat, there's always a next chance. There's always something better planned for you. So believe in God and all you can do is do your part. Prepare well, go for the exams, write it well and come back. Results is on your hard work. You should be your biggest cheerleader. You should be your biggest motivator. And if you are lacking motivation from within, your parents are there to support you. Your friends are there to support you. Ask them. Talk to them. They will surely help you throughout everything. Okay, so if you want more such videos or if you want any particular topic, you can tell me in the comment section. And for now, I'll be saying all the best to the every aspirant who is going to give NEET on May 5. You can do it. If other students can do it who are currently now studying in a government medical college, you can surely do it. Trust your preparation, trust your hard work, trust the process and trust God. Everything will come out in your favor if you just stay concentrated and motivated during the last days. Okay, so that's all. If you want any such videos, please do tell me. Bye.